So guys, today we're gonna use Scala 3 to make Afrobeat from scratch. If you are new over here, the name is Gosai and I'm a music producer. I take you through making of beats, mixing of vocals, mastering of songs, anything about music production. Make sure you turn on the bell notification because over here you get free drum kits, free mixing presets, and tips to level up. Speed up your production. So if you are interested in such content, turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss this thing that I'm gonna drop in the next coming videos. All right, today we are in FL Studio and we're gonna make Afrobeat using Scala 3. If you're ready, let's do this right after the intro. Okay, so we are in FL Studio now. So we're gonna stick to the tempo. We're gonna use 100 BPM. Next, as you can see, I've already loaded Scala 3 over here. If you are new to Scala 3, you don't know how to use Scala 3, I have a full video taking you through step by step. This is gonna speed up your production. All right, so we're gonna walk through some of the skills. Let's stick to common progressions. Select this one. All right, so I'm gonna drag and drop this over here. Drag this one too. I'm okay with this one. All right, so now let's go to the arrangements and now listen to the full chord progression. That's super simple. So what we're gonna do is to load a third-party plugin. We're gonna use Hypersonic, and guys, let's go for electric piano. All right, so I'm gonna use this soft vintage EP piano. All right, and what you're gonna do is to highlight all this from Scala 3 and just drag and drop over here on the Hypersonic. All right, next thing we're gonna do is to mute the Scala 3. All right, next let's go to the piano roll option for the Hypersonic, change it to pattern, and we're gonna make this more interesting over here. But before then, let's listen to the chord progression with the Hypersonic E piano. So I'm gonna make this chord progression more interesting. Drag this one. So we have to move this one over here like this. Then we're gonna I like this one, move it here. All right, and we're gonna move this one over here like this. Okay, then we're gonna highlight everything over here, make a duplicate like this, and over here we're gonna make this one short, simple like this, and we're gonna replace this one over here, make it short like this. So guys, after everything, this is how the chord progression sound. Let's listen. All right, and I'm gonna make this even more interesting by hitting Alt S on the keyboard to bring the strumizer. If you are new to the strumizer, I have a full video taking you through step by step. So let's play around with the start time over here. All right, so this is super simple, and we're gonna bring everything on time, then hit accept. And I'm using electric piano from Hypersonic. All right, so let's fill 8 bars, hit Ctrl B on the keyboard. Now next thing we're gonna do is to go for let's choose one of the drum fills. All right, so we're gonna go through the drum fills over here. All right, so I'm gonna use this one, drag it over here, and let's make sure it's on time. Change your playlist option to event and make sure it's on time. Okay, all right, something like this. Then let's enable this and watch if this one is on time. When it comes to drum fills, make sure it's on time. All right, so we're gonna zoom in. Okay, you can see it's not on time, so let's delete this excess over here. All right, then we're gonna change this to none and push this all the way up like this and make sure it's on time. All right, super crazy. Now let's listen to this. All right, I'm gonna drop another one over here. Let's go for I'm gonna use this one. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Let's make sure this one too is on time. Over here we're gonna zoom in. All right, if you don't know how to use drum fills, I have a full video taking you through step by step. All right, so let's zoom in and make sure this is on time. Super simple. And I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna split this, so let's change it to beat. Then make sure we cut this. All right, and we're gonna bring this over here. Now let's listen once again. All right, so next thing we're gonna do is to go for some of the drum loops. So let's browse through some of them. All right, so I'm gonna stick to this. Let's drag it over here. So let's take a good listen to this. All right, so guys, you are now feeling the groove. All right, if you want to use Scala 3, I have a full video taking you through step by step, and let's try and add some melodies, and we're gonna go back to Scala 3. All right, so let's go back to Scala 3. All right, let's enable Scala 3. Then I'm gonna mute the hypersonic for now. All right, so what we're gonna do is to go for some melodies. Now let's go here once again, and it's time to add melodies. All right, let's add melodies, and we're gonna choose mood. Let's go for mood. So let me go through and come out with any of the melodies over here. Scala 3 is an amazing plugin. All right, if you don't know anything about melodies, all you need to do is to just browse through, and guys, it's gonna give you cool melodies. And if you don't know how to make Afrobeat, I have a full video taking you through step by step. So I'm gonna stick to this over here. Double click, and first thing first, let's listen to the melody. You can see this is the melody over here. Let's listen together with the chord progression. All right, so I'm not okay with that, but we're gonna make it more interesting. Let's enable the hypersonic, and we're gonna clone hypersonic by right clicking and hit clone. Guys, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Now it's time to add melodies. So let's go for guitar. Let's try and go for guitar, acoustic guitar. All right, I'm gonna start with any of them. After that, we're gonna change it. Next thing we're gonna do is to drag this and drop it on the hypersonic over here. I have a full video taking you through step by step. Hit OK. Now we're gonna mute the Scala 3. For now, let's go back and mute it over here too. Let's go to the piano roll. All right, so let's bring this high octave like this. Okay, and now let's listen together. If it sounds great, let's solo the melody and listen to it. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna go through some of the tones and pick the right tone that I want. All right, so let me solo the melodies alone. And guys, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. I'm gonna change it to electric guitars. Let's try some of the tones. Ooh, this is crazy. All right, I'm gonna stick to this now, guys. Let's add that, change it to song. Alright, so guys, next thing I'm gonna do is to add some counter melodies, and this one I'm not gonna use scale 3, so I'm gonna bypass the scale 3 for now. I've gotten my chord progression, my melodies using scale 3. Alright, so if you don't know how to use scale 3, I have a full video taking you through step by step. Okay, you can actually keep on adding more melodies from here, and this is gonna speed up your production. I can choose to delete it at this point, but what I'm gonna do is to clone hypersonic once again. All right, and this time I'm gonna use mallet. Let's go for mallet. When it comes to Afrobeat, you know, percussions take place a lot. We're gonna use marimba. All right, now let's go to the piano roll options, and I'm gonna change it to pattern. Mute the melodies, leave only the chord progressions. All right, so what you're gonna do is to copy the chord progression, then paste it over here. Now let's go to the piano roll options. We're gonna delete the bass over here, so let's highlight the bass. Super simple. Then we're gonna hit delete. Next, let's highlight everything and make it short. All right, something like this. Then as you can see, these ones are more longer. You're gonna make it short. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and I'm gonna play the chord progression together with this counter melody. The place that sound great, I'm gonna leave it there. So let's highlight everything like this, then just play the chord progression together with this, and we're gonna reduce the volume. Let's reduce the volume for the counter melody. Play around with the tones over here for mallet. I'm gonna add the melody so that I can actually feel the groove if they go together. I feel like using the xylophone. Alright, so now let's add everything together. So I'm gonna give it a little bit swing over here like this. All right, guys, so let me split everything, then try some cool arrangement over here. Put this over here, put this over here. All right, enable this. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Then we're gonna bring this down like this, then put this up like this, then put this up like this. All right, so we're gonna add some crash. So I'm gonna use this over here, double click and hit reverse. All right, make sure it's on time over here. All right, so without enemies, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Listen to this simple arrangement.